Hi, my name is Gunther. I'm a waterproofing field supervisor for Erickson Foundation Solutions. We recently finished up a project for a homeowner who, instead of pouring a concrete slab, called us to come in and do an encapsulation system with a dehumidifier and a TripleSafe sump pump system. This is going to help keep his space nice and dry, and it's a much less expensive option than pouring a concrete slab. It's still going to work well, keep his space nice, dry, clean, and livable. Underneath the CleanSpace system we put down, we installed drainage matting, or dimple board as we like to call it. It basically acts as a two-part solution on there. A, it provides padding, so that way the CleanSpace can be walked on, moved on, have things placed on it without having to worry about any sharp objects or rocks or anything underneath tearing through it. But then it also gives the water a good channel to flow through underneath. That way the water can flow through, won't affect the system above, and keeps everything nice and dry. Gives it a little added layer of protection between the CleanSpace and the ground itself. So above that drainage matting, we put down our CleanSpace system. It's a woven vapor barrier that helps keep moisture out, helps seal in the ground and seal out anything really you're going to be too worried about climbing up out of that dirt. It'll keep bugs out. You won't have to worry about rodents or anything climbing up and burrowing their way up and through, and keeps that nice subfloor nice and dry. Won't have to worry about any humidity or any wood rot going on. It helps keep down the smells as well. For the sump pump system, we installed our comprehensive TripleSafe system. It'll sit a lot deeper than most sump pump systems to allow the groundwater to get hit a lot lower before it hits a slab level or surface level and you have to worry about it. It sits down about 2 feet down, and you have 3 pumps inside there, hence the name of TripleSafe. You have 2 electric pumps and you have the battery backup pump. So you're covered whether you get hit with a ton of water or whether you have a power outage. You won't have to worry about your sump pump system. All that is connected in through piping, goes right up and out through the wall. We seal up the holes fully around it. Goes down and out into a discharge line. We keep that nice and far away from the house. That way the homeowner never has to worry about the backflow water coming around. And on that discharge line going out, right outside of the house, we have our 2 ice guards, and they go all the way down, connect all the way through. Those ice guards really are there in case anything freezes up in the ground pipe system. That way you don't have to worry about ice buildup. The system will still pump itself out. You won't worry about having to get backlogged. Then at the end of the discharge line, we have something we call a bubble pot. So that is what you're going to see at surface level. You see a little green grate, and we surround that with a little circle of crushed stone. That crushed stone, we go down about a foot underneath the bottom of the bubble pot. That just creates a little bit of a dry well, so that way any of the water doesn't really flow up and over, creating puddling on your lawn. It'll help drain its way back down and disperse back in the groundwater, so you won't have to worry about any flooding or any unsightly puddling your grass around your area. Along with the TripleSafe and CleanSpace system, we put down one of our SaniDry Sedonas. It is a dehumidifier that'll cover that entire space easily. We have that drain directly right into the sump pump. That, just along with the CleanSpace, helps keep the moisture and the humidity down there. It helps preserve the life of the subfloor, preserve anything down there, and keeps the customers good. Then at the end of the day, we did a full cleanup process, did a clean sweep, make sure the place is nicer than we found it. We did a walk through the customer, made sure I answered all his questions, any complaints he had. We touched up before we left. Got everything all set.